The story of Blizzard and Night Fury. One time there was a horse named Blizzard. She was just walking around in a circle, not knowing what to do. What do I do? I have nothing to do, and I'm just a lone horse. Right when she thought hope was done, she saw something. Wait, what's that? Who's that? Is that another horse? Oh no. No, come on. Oh no, please tell me that's a new horse. It is a new horse. Excuse me? Oh, hello. My name's Blizzard. I'm Night Fury. Wait, I wasn't done talking to you. I was wondering if you could leave, because I really hope you can. Please, just let me talk. I can't. I lost my heart and I need your help finding them. I can't find him. Please, can you help me? Please, I need all the help I could get. Please, please. Fine, I'll go. What do you need help with? Oh, thank you. I need help finding my heart. I lost him. And how did you lose him? I was chasing a butterfly, okay? It's not my fault. That butterfly was just too fast and it flew too far. Okay, great. You were chasing a butterfly? Who chases a butterfly? That's so stupid. I know. But that was in the past. I was a younger fool that time. Okay, whatever. Do you still chase butterflies? No? Good, because if you chase a butterfly, I'll have to follow you to make sure you don't go and leave somewhere. Oh. Great. You're so sweet. I just can't keep falling. Anyways, thank you. You're welcome. Anyways, so when do we get started? Oh, yeah, right. Follow me. Wait up. Dang, these horses could be fast. Okay, so, shoot, is it over there? Is it there? Is it there? Where is it? Oh, no. Don't move. Are we lost? No, of course not. We are not lost. I know this place like the back of my hand. Hand? I meant a hoof, okay? This grass. Blizzard, are you sure we're not lost? We're not. It's this way. It's that way. Okay. Just spill it. Spill what? We're lost. We're not lost. Are we lost? See, it's a no. We're not lost. You're supposed to be talking to yourself, not the plant. We're lost. Okay, let me leave this way. Oh, thank you for figuring that out. I almost stayed here lost and desperate. Come on, let's go. And so they went far, far away to somewhere where less grass was and where more and more and more flowers were. Ugh. I think my eyesight's getting finished. Probably because you keep shaking. I'm not shaking. Yes, you are. It's annoying. Oh, so painful. I need a rest. So, how does your bird look that you lost while chasing a butterfly? They lost. She lost something very bad. Who? I don't even know what I'm saying, okay? It's just so painful to hear that. We're lost. Well, we wouldn't have been lost if you wouldn't have followed the wrong track. I didn't follow the wrong track. You followed a butterfly. Again. Ugh, stupid. Why is this so bad? What? I mean, can I tell you something? Yeah, sure. Breakfast is served. It looks so much gooder. I can't wait to get my mouth on those horses. They're deliciously beautiful. When I get my mouth on those horses, who knows what I'm gonna do when I get my mouth on them. Yeah. Night Fairy, what? Do you ever get the feeling that something's watching us, or even someone? No, because I don't chase butterflies. Okay, can you stop making fun of me about that? I was a fool. Well, maybe I'll stop doing it after I'm dead. I still have the feeling something's watching us. Come on, Blizzard. If you want to find your heart, let's go. Fine. So they went farther and farther. Went more and more. To more and more. And even more grass. The more grass there was, the more deeper of a feeling Blizzard had. It was so nice, but I still feel like something's watching us. Maybe something is watching us? I mean, I'm scared, kinda. Oh, you're scared? Well, not really scared, but, you know, what if it's something bad? Oh, Blizzard, just go to bed. We should get some rest. It's been a long day. Okay.